Welcome to Planet Protectors. My name is Liz and I am part of the team at Planet Patrol. We help clean up the planet. It is fantastic to be here today to talk to you about Planet Patrol and some of the amazing young people around the world solving plastic pollution and waste. I also have a very special mission for you. First of all, I want to tell you about the work that Planet Patrol does and how we're using adventure and people power to get rid of plastics and materials that are polluting our world. We have an app so anyone, wherever they are in the world, can record litter they find by using their mobile phone or tablet. It's like being a litter detective. We collect information on the brands and locations of litter. With this evidence, we have the power to stop it happening. Now, let's think about plastics. Plastics are strong, waterproof and electric proof, and last for a long time, which is what has made them so popular as a material to make things from. If you look around you, I'm sure you can see lots of things made of plastic. Maybe a whiteboard, plug socket, mobile phone, food packaging, ruler, maybe even part of your uniform. 8.3 billion tonnes of plastic have been made. That's about the weight of 66 million blue whales, which are the biggest animals on the planet. But unfortunately, lots of that has been thrown away and ended up in our rivers, streams, beaches, parks and oceans. You probably know how plastics are harming turtles, birds and dolphins. Tiny pieces of plastic have been found in every single place on Earth that we've looked. From the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench, to the highest place on Earth, Mount Everest. It's estimated that in 20 years' time, there will be 600 million tonnes of plastic in the ocean. Instead of thinking about how horrible this is, we are going to think about what is being done to stop this. I'm going to show you some of the amazing things kids, just like you, across the world are doing. I'll start in the UK. Who's worn a red nose before? As you can see, these are made of plastic and are normally thrown away after Red Nose Day. Primary schools wrote to Comic Relief, who organised Red Nose Day, saying that they didn't want single-use plastic noses and suggested alternatives. From next year, Comic Relief's Red Noses will be plastic-free. A big success because of letters that people your age wrote and ideas that they had. Let's go to Bali now. This is an island in Indonesia in Asia, a place famous for coral reefs and amazing surfing. Bali also has a big problem with plastic pollution. Two girls called Melati and Isabel, at the age of 10 and 12, had a lesson at school about significant people like Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi and Mother Teresa. They thought, what can children living in Bali do now to make a difference? When swimming at a local beach, a plastic bag wrapped around one of their arms. They went online and discovered that over 40 countries had already banned plastic bags. They thought, why can't Bali too? They then started an organisation called Bye Bye Plastic Bags. 6 years later, single-use plastics are now banned. A massive win. And if that can happen in Bali, why can't it happen in England too? The answer is, it can. Now let's go to Manchester in England, to Cannon Burrows C of E Primary School. They took on the challenge to reduce the amount of single-use plastic that they used in their school. The class in charge collected all the plastic milk bottles that were used in one day, 144 in total, and put them all in a pile to show everybody. They then replaced these with reusable glass bottles. They also wrote to IKEA, asking for a donation of reusable water bottles for those who didn't already have them, who then sent them some in the post. They also managed to remove or replace fruit pots, ice cream pots, and single-use aprons in the school. Think about the plastic products in your school or home. What could you replace, and who could you write to ask for help? Remember the power we have as individuals to make a difference. Planet Patrol started as just one person who thought they had to do something to stop plastic pollution. Now there are thousands of people across the world who have picked up over 300,000 pieces of litter in 82 countries. Remember Malati and Isabel, who with other children across Bali successfully banned plastic bags. Remember Cannon Burrows' school that measured how many plastic items they used, then swapped single-use plastic bottles for reusable glass ones. You can do something like this too. You're never too small to make a difference. So how do you become a planet protector? Simple. Planet Patrol is on a mission to collect 1 million pieces of litter in the Planet Patrol app. Your first mission, should you choose to accept it, is Operation Clownfish. Your target is to litter pick and together collect 100 pieces of litter. Should you succeed, you move on to Operation Giant Sea Star to collect 200 pieces of litter. We've got lots of missions for you, all the way up to the final mission, Operation Blue Whale, where the target is 1 million pieces. Thank you for being such good listeners. We can't wait to hear all of the ideas that you come up with and see the photos and videos from your Planet Protector litter picks. Welcome to Planet Protectors. Your mission starts now.